Koçati Şarif.
Mormon kitabı. Mormon kitabı ne olduğunu biliyor musun?
Ne?
İsa Mesih hakkında başka bir tanıtım.
Oh. I think standing in holy places is so hard for us for understanding, but especially for youth, it's so hard for us. It's so hard for understanding. Because of that, you know, we are living in the last days, and it's so important to attend to church regularly and read the scriptures regularly, and don't forget it. We are in the holy place, and it's the precious time for us.
And you're able to make the correct decision. And I don't think it's just standing, you know, and physically standing in a place, but where you stand as a person and the purity of your heart and the thoughts that you have in your mind and where you stand in that way.
За мен да седим на подобно място, на свято място, може да бъде навсякъде. И за мен означава да бъдем едно с околността си и да бъдем на място, където може да почувстваме Светия Дух. Не винаги е лесно да намерим такова място, но мисля, че може да бъде някъде кътче, където ние си знаем и където усещаме този Дух. Така че за мен това означава.
Standing in holy places means to take the Holy Spirit and the presence of God with you wherever you go. And it can be with you as you travel all across the world, in any place that you are. You can ask for it to be present and with you, if your choices reflect having the Holy Spirit with you. So it can be in a church, or it can be in somewhere where you really need it. So standing in holy places, I think, is an active thing to do all around the world.
Да стоя на свети места за мен означава просто да пазя сърцето си чисто. Може да си представите слънцето. Слънцето започва да блести отвътре и светлината му стига целия свят. И така трябва да бъде, да стоим на свети места. Да пазим сърцето си, което е най-важното, и тогава то ще бъде достатъчно да сгрее целия свят. Standing in holy places can have literal meaning and non-literal meaning. For me, the literal meaning is to go to holy places like temple, to keep the Sabbath day holy by going to church. And even if you don't go to those places and you're in some other environment, you can still choose the right, and then by choosing the right, you can still be in holy places. And even if you are surrounded with unrighteous stuff, you can still be in the holy places.
Well, I think staying in holy places is whenever you're doing the will of the Lord, like if you're serving, if you're following the Lord's commandments and having home evening. It's a holy place at that time.
Okay, you know, a holy place to me is the ultimate, is the temple, because families can be together forever, and that is the greatest promise in time and all eternity.
Стойте на свети места.
Stand ye in holy places.
Kutsal yerlerde durun.
Without